Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I had given you definitions related to this chapter: point, ray, angles, types of angles. Now I am going to start exercise of this chapter, exercise 9.1. Okay. A part, first figure is given like this. B O C. So this angle is named as BOC. Angle is always in the middle, so angle will be written as BOC. This symbol is of angle BOC. O is in the middle. Okay. Second, one ray is like that, another is here. Both are not joined like this, so it will not form an angle. It is not angle. Okay, not angle. Why not angle? Because both are not meeting at a point. Now third, BAC. Here this angle is BAC, angle BAC. Similarly, fourth part figure is given. It will be angle PQR. Okay. Similarly, fifth part figure is given. It is not an angle, because both lines are not joined. Okay, so not an angle. Sixth part, it is an angle MNO. N is in the middle, so MNO. Now question number 7, angle UXV. Question number 8 is also not an angle, because both are not joined. Not angle. Now B part, label the points and name the angles. First is, see, you have to write down the points, like if you write A, B, C, then angle will be ABC, angle ABC. Similarly, question number 2, if you label PQR, then it will be angle PQR. Similarly, third, it is acute angle, it is less than, so acute, and this is also acute angle, because this is less than 90 degree. Third is like this, LMN. If you write like this, you see it is more than 90 degree, so angle LMN, it is obtuse angle, more than 90 degree, obtuse angle. Again, fourth part is acute angle. Fourth part is also acute angle. You may write XYZ or ABC, anything. Okay, clear? Now C part. Count the number of angles in each shape. First, in each shape you see, in the given figure if you will count, you will get 5 angles. 5 angles. Five angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles are there. Similarly, here also in second figure there are 4 angles. 4 angles. In second figure 4 angles are there. In third figure there are 8 angles. 8 angles, because when you will count you will get 8 angles here. Okay. So, in this way you see, like 5 angles, how will you count? 2, 3, 4 and 5. You see this angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 angles. Similarly, here also in rectangle, first angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle. So, I have written 4 angles. Similarly, in stop also you will count, you will get 8 angles. Okay. So, that is all for today. May God bless you all. Have a nice day.